For this question 11, when you want to factorize, you need to ask yourself these questions first. Is it 2 terms? Is it 3 terms? Or is it 4 terms? Because if it's 2 terms, 3 terms, or 4 terms, we do it differently. Now, this one is how many terms, everybody? 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, 4 term. 4 term, right, is either you group 2 by 2 or you group 3 by 1. But which one is the most commonly appear one is this one. If you want to group 2 by 2, right, you need to ask yourself whether you can group 2 by 2 first. Like these two, no problem because you can factorize the P. But this one you have a problem because you have Q, you have 4. They don't have like common factor to take out. So can't really factorize these two. Then if you regroup, how? Let's say you do this with this. Yes, you can take out the 2. But if you do this and this, no common factor. So even if you regroup, right, 2 by 2, it didn't work out. So if it didn't work out, right, then it must be 3 by 1. To do 3 by 1, right, I need to get this 3. Okay, like that. How do you factorize this 3? Use the cross method like that. P square here. Negative 2pq, you put it here. Q square, you put it here. Then you think about the factors. So we know that P times P give you P square. Q times Q give you Q square. But you see how we want to get negative. So I need you to introduce negative. Because negative times negative give you positive back again. Then now you just cross multiply. P times negative Q is negative PQ. P times negative Q is negative PQ. Plus together is negative 2PQ, correct? For this one, right, if you were to factorize these 3 terms, you will get the first one is this one, okay, which is your P minus Q. And then the second one is this one, is also your P minus Q. And then you still have the minus 4. Here, right, your P minus Q, you can square it because you got double of it. 4, right, is actually 2 square. So this one is your perfect square minus perfect square. See? Perfect square minus perfect square. It goes down to your formula in Sec 2 that you learn, right? A square minus B square. You learn this formula A plus B, A minus B. So you're going to apply it here. Your A is your P minus Q. Your A here is your P minus Q. Your B is your 2. Since here is plus B, is plus 2. Since here is minus B, is minus 2. So that's how you solve this.